Thanks for joining me in this video today. I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to build a website for your fingerprinting service. If you've just stumbled across this video today, you haven't heard of multi-sites before. Multi-sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how well it works for you in your small business. So once you've joined the platform, registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top very quickly and I'm going to search for my market, fingerprinting service. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your small business is located, you can enjoy the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue and let Marty Sites work its magic. And there you have it. It's literally generated a simple website for my business in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you want to upload some of your own images, maybe make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written. You can do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be making my way through each section to the top to the bottom, giving you a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how simple it is to use. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, go ahead and put in my company email address as well as my phone number. Awesome. I'm going to make sure this box is ticked to display my email address on my website. Phone number's already just gone in. It also went in over there. It's clicked to call, by the way. Our address, once you've put it in, it's displayed in the top left-hand corner. Great thing about it is when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps. Let's head on over to update social links. Now, over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. The social media icons for those platforms will be available and visible on the top of your website as well as at the bottom, so your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what your business is up to. Let's head on over to update logo. Now, over here, if you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options on the website. Awesome, logo's now been uploaded. I'm going to click on this little pencil and I'm going to crop my image ever so slightly so it fits better into that section at the top. You can as well add filters, you can decorate it, you can zoom in, rotate it under by clicking on that pencil over there. Awesome, once your logo has been uploaded, you can make it bigger and smaller. Excellent. Let's move along. Now with Marty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, you wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your fingerprinting service. If these colors don't quite go with your logo, your branding, you want to change it, click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Awesome. That looks fantastic. Let's move along. If you've got your own images, go ahead and browse your device and upload them. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. I do recommend you play around with the keywords a little bit. So I've just searched for fingerprints and I can see a few suitable images. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. I can change it at a later stage if need be. Let's check that out. Awesome. It's slightly blocked, but I can change it at a later stage just to show you how to make amendments. Let's head on over to update content. Over here, you can change the title, subtitle, button. Currently says contact us today, which I'm going to leave. You can choose a link. You can link to the lead form at the bottom, which I'm going to get to in just a second. Another website, if you take maybe calendar bookings, drop the URL over there online. Otherwise, link to a click to email, directions, click to call action. Otherwise, you could upload a PDF file with your different rates and service like a brochure. Awesome. Over here, again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how you got into the industry, a little bit more details about who's running the business, how like soon you deliver the results. Is it within 24 to 48 hours? What kind of people come to use your services? Are your staff, are they experienced and trained? Go ahead and put all the details over here. Your customers would love to hear your story, how you came to be, get to know you a little bit better. We've now made our way into the services section over here. You can put a little bit more details of different services you offer. Do you offer ink fingerprinting, live scan, FBI background checks, perhaps on site fingerprinting, maybe fingerprint archiving? Go ahead and put all the details under the services section. We've now made our way into the lead form at the bottom, which I've just mentioned to you. Over here, your customers can easily reach out to you. Once they've clicked on send and put in their query over here, you will get notified via email that you have a new lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain, go through the various steps in linking it. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available on our channel. Now, if you don't have a domain yet for your business, click on I want a new domain because you can purchase your domain via the Marty Sites platform. Over here, we're in your Marty dashboard. Under the leads section over here is where you'll find the leads from that form at the bottom. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. We're really wishing you and your business Marty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. Don't forget the service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Now, the fantastic thing about the Marty Sites free trial is you don't need to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video and give it a go.